I'm Kenny Payne. I'm working at Ash Automotive doing a level 3 vehicle technician apprenticeship. I've just entered my second year into my apprenticeship, 3 years long, so I've got this year and next year left.
My name is John. I own Ash Automotive, sole trader.
Everything to do with it really. We get work on a variety of cars. Day to day we have regular services, maintenance, going next door and doing body work and the restorations. We get the older type of vehicles come in. We get new stuff on the day to day, but we get classics come in, and then I enjoy working on them because it's my favourite type of cars. I'd say it is worth it in the long run. You're getting a qualification at the end of it. You're going to have that under your belt. In the mornings we have a lot of theory sessions all the way until about 1 o'clock. Then we have our lunch and go into the workshop afterwards and give them practical things to do and go through our portfolios. I enjoy it more. It gives you a sort of a breath and you get to go and talk to people about what you're doing. The college push you to get things done, and all your work, they're pretty helpful. They fully go into detail about how to do something or understand something.
I've had previous people here helping me as you get more and more busy. You do need somebody else really on the sidelines. I'd like to think and like to hope that certainly what I've taught him and what I've showed him, he'll remember for the rest of his life and be able to do most jobs on vehicles in the future really. When he first come here, he didn't really know a lot. Not everybody knows stuff about cars, not everybody else has been around mechanical things all their life, and I like to think that he's learnt a lot since he's been here, and starting to be able to do a lot more now, which is good and shows good signs of progression.